he's a full-blooded Jew.
Yeah.
And his wife, he met her in Korea when he was in the military,
Wow.
and they were married. She's about 75, and he's about 84.
Wow. They go to your church?
They did. I don't go to that church anymore.
Oh, you don't? You go to Prince now? Prince Avenue?
Oh, well, I have quite a bit, but I've been going to Victory in Loganville.
Ah, nice. You like it there?
You know, it's a real good church.
Good. It's not ready. The oven just beeped, but it's not ready. Good. I didn't know. When did you switch churches?
Yeah. The guy that leads the congregational singing
Yeah.
is also my Sunday school teacher,
Oh.
and I've never had a better one.
Wow.
Mom,
That's great.
one
Felix,
is
not a minute.
ready.
No, not quite yet.
Yes.
I just looked. We're gonna give it a few minutes. That was because I turned the heat up on the oven, so it was saying it's done preheating. That's why. Okay.
But one was puffy.
Good. It's getting closer.
One was.
How long have you been going to Victory?
Yeah, I've only been 4 or 5 times.
Okay, so you real
Because
recently.
For the past month, I have not gone anywhere.
Right.
I think the last time I went was to Prince Avenue.
Oh yeah. Because your foot hurt too much?
There's too much standing up.
Yeah. Well, you don't have to stand up. You know, you could sit.
But
No one's going to mind.
But when everybody else is standing up, you feel like
You
have
do.
to.
You feel like you have to. But you don't have to. At our church, there's lots of people who still sit down, you know. Some are holding sleeping babies, or some, you know, aren't unable. It just...
Yeah, I thought that was a great little church where y'all went.
Yeah, we love it. It's a good one. Yeah. We definitely are loving it.